Hi. So today we are going to Tobermory. It's a 3.5-hour drive. Hi. We've been on the road for like about 2 hours. It's been a long day already, but it's gonna be fun. We all tried catching some sleep in the car, but that never works. So hey, look who came from the washroom. Hi. Wow, you look so happy. I'm wearing sunglasses because I don't want you guys to see my morning eyes. But these guys are pretty in the morning. Pretty ugly. I'm just joking. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. And let's go! Yay! Oh, and shout out to Clary for giving me her selfies that she used this weekend. Thank you, I love you. And we're gonna get some nice shots today. Woo! Vlog 8, let's go. We have to wait a couple hours till like 12 for the jet boat ride, so all of us could be together because it was sold out. Yeah. What? And we came here at 8. What time is it now? Like probably like 10 or something. Hold on. But we're gonna go exploring. 10:09. For the next 2 hours. There's the lake over there. To get on the boat, and it's getting freaking cloudy. Look at that. What is that? It's like a wave of clouds. It's so pretty, but it's scary at the same time. Oh my god, it's gonna rain so hard, and we're gonna be on the island 6 hours. So fast. Oh, do I have umbrellas, guys? And I don't think we're gonna go on the boat anymore.
Forget the beach, man.
Forget the beach. I don't know what the plan is now, guys. I don't know when this rain's gonna stop.
Okay.
Hopefully soon.
You look cool at least, right?
Yeah. Well, we all ended up matching. I know. Yo, we're crazy. We're still going on the boat. And it's raining like crazy right now. This is for real, guys.
I don't know how that works. I'm not in charge of that.
Oh shoot. Let's just go. We paid already. I'm down. This is too crazy for me right now. This is so messed up. We're on Lady on the Mist. Lady on the Mist. There's no going back.
Can't wait, guys. We're going in deep.
As you can tell, we took the boat.
Oh my god.
We're surviving. We're survivors right now. As you can see. Hey! There's the boat with the shelter. Oh, we're coming to a stop. Oh! The boat ride. We all got wet. We pretty much don't care anymore. We're taking our hike now. It's definitely an unforgettable experience for everyone here. We can't do some of the stuff because it's gonna be really slippery and we don't have proper shoes. Look at this girl wearing sandals.
I look great.
We can't do it anymore because of you. I'm just joking. But yeah, It would be nice to do all of it, but we can't because safety but it's okay. Came out here, we drove all this way. We're gonna do something, right? Yes!
I just wanna be fair and opening up to you.
Hey guys, we're in the Amazon rainforest.
Hey guys, come here. Let me show you something.
Alright, here we go.
In the rainforest, you gotta be really careful where you step. For example,
Look at that.
that was a great example. You gotta make sure you know where you're going, because you never know what you're gonna hit.
Here in the rainforest, there are a bunch of, in this environment, ecosystem, biodiversity is great and massive. Things are pretty foreign. Look, oh, what is that? Oh, it's a wild snake. It's a wild cat.
It's an effort to care. Apathy's went to last time. Oh my, and you don't deserve anything that you are. You
In the water with the island behind us. It was a tough journey here, but we're here. The water is so clear. It's so sick. Look at that. Oh,
taking off my coat so slow, 'cause you wouldn't want me there. And as the living gets darker, all that you would offer me is views of the difficulty.
so we just finished up eating some snacks in this area over here. Everyone's leaving right now because it's starting to rain again.
Trust
Yay!
me, it was nicer earlier.
It was like sunny and stuff. It was looking great. As you can see over there, it's like raining like heck. That's pretty cool. Hopefully we're all safe and unharmed. But it's fun, right? It's pretty
Yeah,
fun.
no, it's fine. Trust me.
Trust me, it looks bad, but it's really fun.
We've been here for almost
2 hours. We're literally stranded. We can't leave this island.
and it was raining like crazy.
Raining
It
like
was raining like crazy.
They've been standing for like quite a while now. So crowded and packed here. I feel like we're quarantined. Can't leave till 6 because that's our call time. I'm cold, wet, and tired, and we're still here. But I'm still having fun.
No, we thought we were stranded, but no, we're gonna go to the washroom.
Which is worse. We're finally going home. Off the jet and the water hit me hard. Like my face is so sensitive right now. But it was still fun. It was an experience that we will never forget, for sure.
Just bring extra clothes.
We didn't get to go see the shipwreck. We didn't see the grotto. We didn't see a lot of stuff.
But we saw each other.
But we saw each other. We bonded. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
But hopefully next time, if we ever come back here, we can show you guys more of what Tobermory has to offer.
We'll make a tutorial to what to bring.
Yes.
We'll do a what's in my bag video.
Yeah,
for
we
that.
should because today was too crazy.
It's a fail.
Yeah.